Pero what was the main reason? What kept you going?
This is Big Time on Follow the Money.
Actually, what kept me going yung aking mga empleyado, no? Parang hindi ko matake na pag nagsara yung negosyo, paano sila, saan sila mapupunta. Ako kasi okay naman ako, I can live naman, may konti na ipon, so kaya naman, pwede na. But paano to mga tao na naging employees rather ng aming businesses, saan sila pupunta? Dahil mahirap humanap na naman ng bagong papasukan. Nakita ko yan dahil tuwing interview, I interview personally, tinatanong ko sa kanila, ilan na yun na pagdaanan ninyong interview? May iba, sabi ko, I will work hard for my people, for our employees, to ensure na tuloy-tuloy yung kanilang papasukan at hindi na sila mahihirapan na maghahanap na naman ng panibagong papasukan na trabaho. And of course, to see them very happy, yun yung naging aking fuel to keep me going as well.